We've been living in the lie. The truth is coming about. The truth is not going to be pretty. So if we have negative 1.5 GDP growth 2 quarters in a row, technically the world will see a recession. The stock market will fall. I'm not saying it'll crash. Anybody telling you it's crashing or the dollar's going to zero, it's being eliminated, maybe it may happen. I just don't see that happening because we still have to show signs of strength. Our dollar is still a world reserve currency. Our country is still the strongest military in the world somewhat. So we still have to show those signs of strength, and Trump is not a sign of weakness. But it's pretty easy to say the first 2 quarters of a presidency can be blamed on the last president. So even politically, it all ties in. I expect to see zero nominal or maybe a slightly negative GDP growth the first 2 quarters of the year. That will reduce the inflation in the stock market, correct the bond market, raise the price of the bond. It's a really smart move if you're an investor. If you're a stock and bond person, wait for this to happen. Buy some bonds really cheap right now. You'll see an influx from stock investors to bond investors. The price of your bonds will go up. Sell them and then buy the refied bonds at 3.5%. And then as the stock market grows again next year or later this year, you move the money out of bonds into stocks. This is like the oldest thing in the world to be able to do, but it's becoming overtly obvious that this is what's going to happen. I expect the stock market to deflate. I expect the bond market to get a few $1 trillion of injections from there, lowering the yield on bonds, making it manageable for us to be able to refi and get our spending in order.